back to Crypto Switzerland. Today I have some new video for you guys. I found a gem today. It's an ERC20 token. I'll show it to you guys right now. Here you can see it. I found it actually a few hours ago and decided to make this video. I think it has some potential. So I'll go over why I think that it has potential and when I invested in it and why I invested in it. So this is going to be basically the process of this video. So let's go over this. So I'm using Tokenmon as always for the ERC20 tokens. It's a lot better. And let's go over to Everscan. Here you can see the name is called Baby Musk. Why am I investing in a baby token? Currently there's a lot of hype around it, and I believe some of those can really make insane gains, as you probably have seen yourself in the past few weeks or days. They have gotten a lot of hype. So what did I do before before investing into this? First of all, I checked the contract. I ran it through the rock screen, and it is safe, the contract. Another thing I checked is I went to the Baby Musk tracker on Everscan, and here I checked the holders. When I invested, it was around 90 holders, I think. So yeah, already gained around 50 to 16 holders. So here you can see there's a big wallet here. It's a dead wallet. The tokens got burned, so these don't exist anymore. There are a few other big ones here. You can see, let's calculate this. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 11%. There are some smaller whales. 11%. So the top 5 to, how many is the 2, 4, 6, 8, 11? Let's say 12%. The top 5 wallets have 12% of the supply. That's not too bad actually. And let's go over to the chart. The bad case would be if there was one wallet with around 8% of the supply or 10% of the supply. That would be a lot too much of the supply allocated to one wallet. But here you can see it's fairly distributed. Some people are probably going to sell their tokens once it reaches a certain market cap. But from what I can see here, this is fairly distributed, which is good. So another important thing is I checked the Unicrypt link. They are on Unicrypt. They have the liquidity locked, and it's not just like 10k or 20k. They locked 144 k US dollars for 5 months, and apparently it will be locked forever. Probably they will renew it 1 month before it ends or something, but for now 5 months is a lot of time. That's also one of the main factors why I invested into this. What else? Yeah, obviously I checked the website. I have to check, and also found a Telegram. Actually, some guy in my Discord found a Telegram, so I'm very lucky that he found it because I wasn't able to find it. Here you go. Their Telegram is Real Baby Musk. Let's see what they have pinned. Here's the liquidity log that I showed you before. The tokenomics seem fine as well. They have a donation and a marketing wallet. It's actually a little bit. It's actually a lot. 6% is actually quite a lot, but I think it should be fine. Normally I'm looking at like 3% or 3% marketing wallet. They also have a donation wallet, so I'm not sure what exactly they use this for. Yeah, let's just hope they don't dump it. This is probably one of the biggest risks on this token, that that the creators could sell this. Once the price goes up from this token. Yeah, another thing why I invested is the devs. Let's go over to the website. Yeah, there we go. The devs are doxed. They don't have their LinkedIn or anything provided, but I talked to them, and he actually showed me his face, which not anyone would do. So it's actually not a fake dox, at least. Hopefully, at least one of those guys showed me his face. The problem I see here is that you can see they only link their Telegram name and not their Instagram or any social media. So this doesn't mean that much, but yeah. Another reason why I invested is, let me show you. If you go to the chart, you can see the market cap is fairly low. It's 200k market cap. When I invested, now it's 280k already. I invested right here, right at this point. Let's see how much percent it's up from there. From here, probably not too much. Yeah, 40% already. And they didn't do any marketing. 40% profit already. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. Yeah, and I think this token can at least go to 1 million market cap, because they wouldn't lock the liquidity for 5 months if this wasn't a long-term project. At least that would be really stupid from them. So yeah, that's why I invested in this. I think you still have a great entry here at around 280k market cap. I believe it can go at least 3x from here. So yeah, I'll post a contract and more info. As always, this is not a paid promotion. I don't charge anything for this. I'm invested myself, and I'm just showing you some tokens that I invest in and how I go over it. So this is not any promotion, guys, just letting you know. Have a nice day and make sure to subscribe.